Here's a neat card I made with the Trusty Tools stamp set and the coordinating paper that's available right now during Sale-A-Bration. It's one of the free items you can choose with every $50 purchase. And I absolutely love this paper, so I wanted to make a card that features the designer series paper. So this is the coordinating stamp set, and I stamped the word dad, and then I just cut it out by hand. And now I'm using the paper to make the actual card base. Now I'm going to have the measurements for this card and all the details on my website. You can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com and it will be on there for you. I love this faux leather, well, it's not really ribbon, but the faux leather trim, I guess we could call it. It has a little bit of a gold glitter glint in it, and it just is really cool. And I thought that it looked kind of manly. And then those are the matching dies. And look at that little pegboard die there. I just thought that it would be perfect to put on here and then hang some tools from it. So these, again, are the dies, and I'm cutting that wrench there out of the paper. I didn't even have to stamp it or color it or anything. And then the other items here I just cut out by hand because there's not a coordinating die for those. But they're not hard to cut out. Now look how cute that is. So we'll put that together, and then I will put the sentiment on with dimensionals. And then we're going to stamp the inside so that you have somewhere to write to your fabulous dad on the inside. So I'm just going to use the outline here, and then I know that I used the wrong coordinating stamp for the handle there, but that's okay. It looks great still. And then I'm going to add a few little screws, and look how cute that is. So again, I'll have this on my website, and you can check it out along with close-up pictures. Thanks so much for watching and following along. I really appreciate you. Don't forget that the end of February is the end of Sale-A-Bration. So grab these awesome items while you can. You can find my store directly from my website, and it'll take you directly to my Stampin' Up! Store. Have a great day, and I will talk to you again soon.